Hello. Hello. And welcome. Alright. Here we go. Let's get started. So, in case you're new here or anything like that, welcome to the stream. I'm Andy. And we are here at Quantum developing the laser games. So let's get the Steam. Oh boy, I hear myself. 1 second. So I'll stop the music as post. Turn it down. There we go. Okay. Find where that audio source is. There it is. Okay. Alright, there you go. There we go. And we have the game up. Oh boy, it's off center. Oh yeah, that's right. Because I was doing some development work. Let me fix that real quick. Where's the source? There it is. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Well, so today we are going to be playing some of the laser games. Let me set the Discord right here real quick. Oh, yeah. Let's start streaming my screen. There we go. Alright. So, if you haven't already, if you're playing on your computer or whatnot, be sure to download the laser games right now on Steam. Alright. If you by any chance are joining over on the Discord, I can't share my screen for some reason, so I'll just direct you to 1 second. Let me post an announcement real quick on the Discord actually, so that we can get people in. Anyways, right now I'm actually live streaming directly on the Steam store page, so that's very exciting. There we go. I need shoot, I forgot some of the roles on the Discord server. 1 second. Live streams and events. Okay. Alright. Settings. Okay. Roles. I was just promoting. Yeah. Their stream updates. Alright, there we go. And yeah, we'll publish that. Go ahead. Woohoo. Alright. There we go. Okay, we got all that settled now. Alright. So I guess hopped into the game now. We got laser games. Here we go. So happy holidays, everybody. We got a little bit of snow falling here. Whatnot. Check my settings real quick. Okay. Yeah, I want that. I gotta remove cinematic reflection quality. We don't want that on. Alright. Yeah, I'm looking at the back reflection. It's not the best, but I guess it'll do. Whatever. Weird technical issues that I have to worry about later. Anyways, so I'm going to showcase a little bit of the new features of the update, which have showcased some of them in the past. Obviously, there's been some changes, but it's right now live. No beta required or anything like that, so just download and get on going. 1 second, let me... Oh boy. Let me get the right chats up. That window up. I want that window up. There we go. All right. So now just for nice convenience, we got a nice little link directly to the Discord server, as well as a QR code that goes to that. You can also click open browser, go there. All that fun stuff. All right. Let's get into the actual content of the update. So if we could play here, we have the new server browser. Still very much more or less work in progress. Doesn't look like there's any games going on. Let me just make sure. Okay, I think it was glitching out. If you see any bugs or whatnot, be sure to report them on the Discord server so you can take a look at them right away. Let's see here. All right, let's see here. Live game. Going now. Woohoo. Alright. We're gonna start this game. We're gonna have the bots. The bots are still pretty much very stupid. Have to work on that. Anyways, let's click create game. There we go. Alright. Not sure why the 5-second timer is going off right now, but here we go. We got the nice little snowflakes in the level. Hanging from the ceiling, gently, blowing around the nice air-conditioned arena, and the colors are now red and green. Nice little changes for the Christmas season. Anyways, here we go. We've hopped in the game, and there's been a lot of changes and a lot of fixes since the last time we actually live streamed. Should be a much more smooth experience. If you've tried testing out the multiplayer in the past, there was some like movement issues. Hopefully that's all been fixed. Anyways, I want to check something else out right now on Steam. Game servers. Let's see here. Laser Games playtest. I don't think it's working. All right. Gonna stop the music because we got it in map music. There we go. I'm gonna hop into Spectre here real quick, and I'm gonna go actually onto my Steam Deck and see if I can get a second player connected, because I technically didn't test that out. Nah, it should. All right. There we go. I'm glad my Steam Deck is charging. Alright, don't worry about that. Cable. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna switch over to another account. The looks like both teams are at 0-0. Bots are let's look at what they're doing right now. It's literally just going back and forth. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. Oh. Anyways, one of the big changes of this update is all these name tags. So now you can see that the bots don't have names. But apart from that, you can see which one's which. Of course, there's some few issues that probably should be worked out, like for instance, team outlines and stuff like that. Which would come in a future update, as well as some unique bot names. So if you want to, leave your mark in the I guess, we're in the Discord server and tell me what sort of a name you want bot one over here to be. See what he's doing here. Oh, moving back and forth. Okay, he's going up the ramp though. It's pretty interesting. All right, here we go. Let me just no, that should work. All right. If you don't already know, the Laser Games supports the Steam Deck, and therefore it also supports Linux. Now, one thing to note about Steam Deck support, it technically uses the gamepad configuration by default, even though Yeah, I probably should change that because I didn't fully implement controller support. So probably would be better to go with the keyboard and mouse template for now. It's something that I'm definitely working on getting controller support to work. And let's see here. Oh boy. I don't know if the multiplayer is working or not. Uh-oh. Font layouts on my left layout. Refresh. Refresh line. That's most peculiar. All right. Looks like there's might be some issues with regarding the multiplayer working. Let's quickly look into that. So, 5 minutes remaining. Nothing's really happening anyways in this match. If you join in and you want to hop into the multiplayer, you can of course try it out yourself. You just go to play and host game, and then set the game. Pretty simple here, and then you just click create game, and then you actually, yeah, I'll show you. Go into the pause menu, escape, or actually the P key, and you can select your team and join either of the two teams. Alternatively, you can also try out the challenge mode. If you do that, be sure to share your scorecard at the end of the game over on the Discord server. Let's see who gets the highest score. Anyways, I'm going to quit out the game real quick, and I'm going to actually do a little bit of an update on my end regarding the game. I'm going to switch out of the beta. Let's see here. Where is it? Betas. There we go. All right. And then do the same thing on the Steam Deck, because I want to see. Not really that fun if you can't join other people's games. All right. Here we go. Show all layouts. Where's my... Alright, yeah, because this is the other account. That's right. I was wondering why my layouts are missing. I don't like the right bumper being left click. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to try hosting the game on the Steam Deck. There we go. I don't know if you can hear it through my mic, but there's a game right there running on the Steam Deck, all nice and good. See here now, if we go, we are no longer in the beta on Steam. I'm going to click play now. It'll pop back up in OBS. Give it a few minutes or so. Let's see here. So we're in the server browser. There's a slight issue. Get out of here, General Edition. Get. Okay. There's an issue where when you click into it, it should search for games, but it doesn't. So you have to click the refresh button, or if you click the land check and unclick it, then it'll do it. Okay, so let me go into the Steam Deck here. See if LAN works. Click play. I'll host my game. I want it LAN only. There we go. All right, create game. See here. Aha. Okay, so LAN works. So, or does it work? Let's see. So there was an issue with the LAN connection where I think we're going to get it here. I guess debug statements aren't printed, but it's going to probably kick me back to the main menu. Yeah, so issue with LAN connections. Let me check this game server browser actually now. I want to see if the game is showing up there. No, oh, that's weird. Very weird. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know what exactly is going on right now. Let me check the Steam overlay. Is that working? Yeah, Steam overlay is working. Try my Steam Deck again. I'm gonna go without the game, the public game, that is. What LAN? Saying. Great game. Okay, so we're in the game on Steam Deck. Click refresh, nothing shows up. Why is that? Alright, let's see here. So this is my alternate account right here. I click join game. So okay, that doesn't quite work yet. It's like half implemented right there. Alright, so so it looks like there's a few issues, unfortunately, regarding actually joining the game, of course. Let's hop into, we'll just do it on this computer here. Let's hop into the game itself over in Visual Studio or in the engine itself. Let me switch over to the desktop. 1 second. Let's full screen. Turn on my Steam Deck. There we go. All right. Oh, streaming there. Okay, so share my screen. Oh, share screen work. Screen one. Here we go. All right. Okay, let's see here. Display capture, which one? Yeah, that one. Here we go. So let's see here. Development editor. Click play. Let's open it up inside the engine. Now, let's take a look a little bit while that opens up at the game searching code. So I believe, see here, there we go, subsystems. So here we go. This is the online subsystem pretty much. What it does to interact with, well, it's not specific to Steam. It could actually work with any other of the online subsystems, like, the Epic Games launcher or something else. But with this, it should be able to search up the games and give us a game. So if we go, excuse me. Right here, the find sessions is supposed to do it. We set up the LAN right there. We have a max search results value that's set to something. This right here sets something about like non-dedicated servers or something. I'm not entirely sure. Have to look at the documentation again, but anyways, and then call find sessions right there. So what we need is for this find sessions function right there, that needs to return the session that's running on my Steam Deck. Or your session if you have it set to advertise, for instance. I don't know. Anyways, let's start back up the music. We'll take a look at this issue and see if we can develop a patch for it. I'm not going to show you building because that'll just be boring, but look into how the programming works a little bit. Debugging. Oh, what? Steam Deck doesn't support broadcasting. Alright, let's quit out of the game down here. Hopefully the computer doesn't crash or anything. That'd be unfortunate. I think we're good right now. Alright. So if I click play right now, this is in the editor, same, you know, main menu and whatnot. The Steam interface unfortunately doesn't work in the main menu. I mean, I can test right here if I click create game and then I go onto my Steam Deck, try joining the game. I don't think it'll show up. Let me check here real quick. Click play, click refresh, and nothing. All right. What we need to do instead, if I go up to platforms and I click my computer right there, do that one, you know, make it a little bit quicker. I check the configurations. Yeah, I'll do debugging. All right. And don't take too long. Error? What? Ugh. Oh no. This engine distribution. What engine distribution? Alright, 1 second. Oh, that. Yeah, stop debugging. All right. Let's try that again. Oh wait. Oh no. So development editor. All right. Now let's try it. Come on, play. Run, whatever. You guys luckily don't hear this, but there's a lot of static happening with my headphones. Oh boy, that was really bad. Because I don't know if you've noticed, but I have actually 2 cables plugging in to the headphones to filter out like the game audio with the music and stuff like that without latency. Okay. What's going on with my webcam? Anyways. There we go. There's the game. Okay, let's try this again. So that debug game, let's see if we can launch it. And while we wait for this to open up or crash, I want to give, you know, talk a little bit about the holiday, all the nice snowflakes falling on the main menu, and also, you might Notice my background is glitching out again, but apart from that, oh my god, what is going on with the webcam right now? And there's a crash. Okay. All right. Stop this. Yeah, close. Stop the debugger. Make it brighter. Okay, that's better. Opening it out without Visual Studio. Even though I kind of need the debugger. Oh my god. What is using up virtual memory? It's always the virtual memory that causes the issues. Whereas of course have OBS open, yep. Has to use 2.3 gigabytes. Fun thing is, I got plenty of physical RAM with this virtual RAM. That's the issue. Alright, let's see here if I can close out some of the got open. Alright. Let's see if this will not crash now. Probably will. Close out of Steam for now. Anyways, even though I'm not playing the laser games right now, be sure to try it out on your own. Try out the single player challenge and let us know what your score is. How many points can you get within the 5-minute time window by tagging targets? That is the single player challenge. And speaking of, updating the game, definitely looking into ways to improve the single player challenge, expand it. So be sure to stay tuned for that and for any other updates about the game. All right. We're now launching up the game in editor. Everything looks good so far. We go into here, we can see, okay, that's reasonable. All right. It's reasonable right now. Let's see if it stays that way. Oh boy. Can we launch it, please? I wanna... come on. All right, run. Okay, everything's looking good so far. With 700